will discuss about the capacitance of a three-phase double circuit with unsymmetrical spacing but transposed. We have discussed already capacitance of three-phase circuit with the unsymmetrical spacing but transposed. This is a double circuit. Okay. You can observe this figure. This is a B, C, and next is a second circuit is A dash, B dash, C dash. This is a double circuit. Okay. We are considering the three cases here. We already know about the what is the transposition. Consider the arrangement of conductors as shown in the figure. It consists of three double circuit. The radius of each conductor is R. The voltage between phase A and phase B can be calculated in order to calculate capacitance. One complete cycle of transposition is shown in the figure 1. One complete transposition, that is, this is first interval, this is second, and this is third. Okay. Case, this is one, this is second, and this is third interval. Now you can observe the position of A is in first and the position of B is in second and the position of C is in third position. Okay. So for first case, first interval, VAB1 is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln DAB divided by DAA plus ln DAB dash divided by DAA dash. Okay, first we consider DAB divided by DAA. Already in last class I have told, yeah, first letter A we will take in the denominator, that is DAA, DAB plus ln DAB dash DAA dash. QB ln DBB divided by DBA plus ln DBB dash divided by DBA dash. First we will consider the first conductor and next double circuit conductor, that is A dash, B dash, C dash. Okay. Plus QC, with respect to C we are writing. Okay. So ln DCB divided by CA plus ln CB dash divided by CA dash. We have written the all the equations. Next we need to write the distance between A and B is capital D. Okay, the distance between A and B is capital D. The distance between A and B dash is M, and the distance between A and A dash is N. Okay, we are writing the value of this. Okay, DAA is nothing but R, and next DAB dash value is M, and the DAA dash is nothing but N, plus QB ln R by D plus ln H by M. D to B dash, you can observe here B to B dash. Okay, B to B dash is nothing but H. We are writing the distance value. Okay, ln D divided by 2D plus ln M divided by H. Similarly, we can write the equation for second position. That is, we are just here you can observe the position A is changed from 1 to 2. Okay, in second interval, and in third interval it is changed to third position. Okay, similarly we need to write the equation for this also. The same equation what you have written here, this only you can write, only the distance value will be changed. Okay, only the distance value, the distance between A and B here, what happens, the distance between the A and B in second case, A and B same D and A to A same R. Next the distance between A and B dash, A and B dash A and B dash, it will be M. Okay, will be M, and the distance between A and A dash is the distance between A and A dash. What you will get? The distance between A and A dash is H. The distance here you can observe, here we got in the first equation N, and here we are getting the equation in second equation H. Okay, only the distance value will be changed. The equation first you need to write this equation is common for three intervals. Only you by seeing the distance you need to mention the distance values. Okay, now the distance between A and B, what is there in the first interval, that is in the second interval and in the third interval. This equation will be common for three cases. Okay, we change only the due by seeing the interval first case or second case, only the distance value will be changed. After writing the three equation and after changing the distance values, we get that VAB, average of that VAB is equal to 1 divided by 3 VAB1 plus VAB2 plus VAB3. If we add three cases, then 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon QA is common. Okay, if you observe the three equation, QA is common. You can observe here QA ln D by R plus ln M by N. In equation 2, QA ln D by R ln M by H. In equation 3, QA ln 2D divided by R plus ln H by N. So here QA is common. So here first starting three cases they will consider and they will multiply log A plus log A, that is log A plus log B plus log C. We can write it as log A into B into C. That is what they have written here, 2D cube plus 2D cube divided by R to the power of 3 plus ln M square H divided by N square H. Okay, you can observe here ln H by N and M by H, and next M by N. So M square divided by N square H. Okay, so that is what they have written here, M square H divided by N square H plus QB ln R to the power of 3 divided by 2D cube plus ln N square H divided by M square H plus QC ln 2D cube divided by 2D cube plus ln M square H divided by M square H. You need to observe that we are writing for AB. That means C will be 0. It will become 0 here. Ln 1 is 0. Okay, this get cancelled. Ln 1 is 0. So QC will become 0. Only here we get QA and QB. 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon QA ln, again log A plus log B, we can write it as log A into B, 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square H get cancelled plus QB ln R to the power of 3 N square divided by 2D cube M square. So 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N, that is N cube. Okay, here plus QC ln R to the power of 3 N square divided by 2D cube M square. VAB plus VAC is equal to 3 times of VAN. Okay, this is square. Okay, 3 VAN is equal to 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon 2 QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square plus QB plus QC. They have written that they have added the A and B, this equation and this equation. You can observe when you see these two equations, here instead of writing the QB, they have written QC because we are writing VAC. Okay, we are changing the second term. Okay, so VAB plus VAC is equal to what they have written? 3 VAN. 3 VAN is equal to, add these two terms. So you'll get 2 times of QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R3 N square. Plus they have taken the common because this is similar. Okay. So they have taken common. You'll get QB plus QC. And here we can write that QA plus QB plus QC is equal to 0. This can be written as minus QA. Again, instead of writing minus QA, we can write plus QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 and N square. This can be reversed. Okay. If we reverse this denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator, here plus will become minus. Okay. Plus will become minus, and minus ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square. This value is minus QA. Minus QA into minus plus you will get. Okay. So plus QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square. So you will get 3 times of QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square. VAN is equal to, here 3 get cancelled. VAN is equal to 1 divided by 6 pi epsilon QA ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square. CAN is equal to QA divided by VAN 6 pi epsilon divided by ln 2D cube M square divided by R to the power of 3 N square. CAN can be written as 2 pi epsilon. They have taken 2 into 3. They have taken the here 1 by 3. Okay. Instead of writing 6, they have written here 2 and 1 by 3. 2 into 3 is 6, right? Instead of writing 6, 2 into 3, that 3 they have taken here. Okay. So A log B means log B to the power of A. That is what they have done here. Ln 2 to the power of 1 by 3 D divided by R, because here cube is there, so it will be get cancelled. M by N to the power of 2 by 3. This is the capacitance per phase will be 2 CAN. Okay. For if we are considering the capacitance per phase, then it will be 2 times of CAN. Here the problem is a figure that is a 3-phase double circuit line is shown in the figure. Find the capacitance per phase to neutral. Diameter of each conductor is 4 cm. They have given the diameter, that is D is equal to 1 meter, R is equal to 2 cm, and H is equal to 5 meter. M is equal to what? Square root of D square plus H square. By seeing the diagram, okay, this is nothing but M. Okay, this is nothing but M. 1 meter, that is D 1 meter square plus H value is 5 meter square. So we get this, the distance between the A and B dash. Okay, that is nothing but M. Square root of 26 meter. Next, N is equal to square root of 2D square. That is 2. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1. Okay, from here to here the distance is 2. So 2 square plus 5 square is equal to square root of 29 meter. This is nothing but N. The CAN value is 2 times of, that is 2 into 2 pi epsilon naught ln 2 to the power of 1 by 3 D by R M by N to the power of 2 by 3. We know all the values. Substitute, you will get 2.7092 into 10 to the power of minus 11 farad per meter. This is capacitance per phase kilometer is given by, that is CAN is equal to 2.7092 into 10 to the power of minus 11. They have given the 1000 kilometer, or we don't, they have not given the, if they have given the kilometer value, then we should multiply. They have not given the kilometer value. Okay, just 10 to the power of how much it is? 10 to the power of minus 11. Okay, just multiply 1000. What will get? 10 to the power of minus 11 plus 3. What will get? 8 minus 8. Okay, 2.7092 into 10 to the power of minus 8 farad per kilometer. That means they will multiply 1000 for numerator and also denominator, so that only you'll get this value. Okay, so denominator they will consider as kilometer, and for 1000 here 10 to the power of 3, if you take out, you'll get 10 to the power of -8. So 0.02792 microfarad per kilometer. Here, single circuit arrangement. What are the advantages of single circuit arrangement? This type of arrangement is less dangerous during repair work. It requires a less foundation and less weight of a steel tower member. Single circuit, you might have observed in the transmission side what is a single circuit and the double circuit. Okay, disadvantages is it can from continuous of supply point of view, the circuit is less reliable. If it is single circuit, we cannot give a continuity of supply. Okay, if any damage occurs, any problem occurs in that circuit, we cannot give a supply to the consumer. Okay, the spacing of conductors required is greater. Okay, the spacing of conductors required is greater. And what about double circuit arrangement? Double circuit arrangement have an advantage, that is with reference to continuity of supply, the circuit is much reliable and the spacing of conductors required is less. What about the disadvantage? This type of arrangement is comparatively dangerous and it requires more foundation as the structure is of heavier members. The height of tower is more. And also one topic I had left, I'll complete it now. Actually, we need to read about capacitance of three-phase double circuit with the symmetrical spacing. This is the last topic which I need to explain. This completes the second module if I finish this topic. Okay, this is a first circuit and this is the second circuit. The spacing you can see here, the spacing is similar. Okay, this is a spacing is the distance between A and B, the distance between B and C, and the distance between C and A dash, like this. Okay, the distance between the conductors is symmetrical. The voltage between phase A and B is given by VAB is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln. Again, you need to remember second term in the denominator, sorry, in the numerator, first term in the denominator, DAB divided by DAA plus ln DAB dash divided by DAA dash plus QB ln DBB divided by DBA plus ln DBB dash divided by DBA plus QC ln DCB divided by DCA plus ln DCB dash divided by DCA. That is, we are writing with respect to A, B, C conductors. Okay, when we are writing with respect to A, we have a double circuit with respect to A and also A dash. When we are writing with respect to B, we have B and also B dash. Okay, when we are writing with respect to C, we have a charge that is QC and also the distance that is with respect to C and also C dash. Okay, we consider B and A terms also. B in the numerator and A is in the denominator. Okay, DCB. Okay, so second term, that is B term in the numerator, A term in the denominator. Now we should write the distance between A and B. What is the distance between A and B? In the diagram you can observe the distance between the A and B is D. Okay, if they are not given, we need to find out the distance between A and B. Okay, so the distance between A and B is D. The distance between A and A, we will write that as R, and the distance between A and B dash is square root of 3 into D, and the distance between A and A dash is 2D plus QB ln R divided by D plus ln 2D divided by square root of 3D plus QC ln D divided by square root of 3D plus ln square root of 3 into D divided by D. We don't know the distance, then we need to find out. I have written in a note, that is, I have found out the distance, that is DAB. First, I will consider the small triangle. Okay, I will consider this part. Okay, we don't know the distance between A and B. And here DAB is equal to square root of the distance between A to here, square root of 3 into D divided by 2. Okay, so square root of 3 into D divided by 2 whole square plus the distance between B and here is D by 2. Okay, D by 2 whole square. So you'll get the value is D. So, and it will be similar for all this distance. Okay, between A and B, between C dash, B dash, between B and C, and also distance between A dash and B dash. Okay. So, for all the distance, it is D. Next, D AB dash, D BA dash, D BC dash, D CB dash is equal to, we considered here A to B dash. Okay, we will consider this one. Okay, I have considered this. This is the diagram for that, figure for that. So we don't know the here this value between A and B dash. So square root of 3, square root of, again square root of 3 into D divided by 2 whole square plus here D plus D by 2. So D plus D by 2 whole square, what you will get the value? Square root of 3 into D. First we should find out the distance, and next we need to substitute in this equation. Okay, first we need to find out the distance, next we need to find substitute in this equation, then only you'll get this equation. 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln square root of 3D divided by 2R plus QB ln 2R divided by square root of 3D plus QC ln square root of 3D square divided by square root of 3D square. How they are written here? Log A plus log B can be written as log A into B. That is what they have written here. Square root of D get cancelled. Square root of 3 into D divided by 2R. Here what you will get? 2 in D get cancelled here also. So 2R divided by square root of 3 into D. You can observe here, that is what they have written here. Okay. After doing the log A plus log B is equal to log A into B. Next what you will get? 1 divided by 2 pi epsilon QA ln square root of 3 into D divided by 2R plus QB ln 2R divided by square root of 3 into D. Okay, that equation can be written similarly for VAC. Just write, instead of QB, write QC. Okay, that's what the change for VAC. VAB plus VAC is equal to 3 times of VAN, and substitute here. Okay, VAN 2 times of QA ln square root of 3D divided by 2R, QB plus QC, because here ln 2 by R square root of 3D, square root of 3 into D is common for VAC and VAB. Okay, so they have taken common, so you'll get QB plus QC. This can be written as minus QA, and this equation can be written as plus ln square root of 3D divided by 2R. So 3 times of QA ln square root of 3D divided by 2R, 3 get cancelled. VAN is equal to QA divided by 2 pi epsilon ln square root of 3 into D divided by 2R. So CAN is equal to QA divided by VAN, that is equal to, just to substitute the value of VAN. QA get cancelled. Okay. So 2 pi epsilon divided by ln square root of 3 into D divided by 2R. So capacitance per phase, when we consider the capacitance per phase, will be nothing but 2 times of CAN. Problem is, if the double circuit 3-phase line has a conductor of diameter 4 cm and distance of separation is 2 meter in hexagonal spacing arrangement. Calculate the phase to neutral capacitance for 100 kilometer of line. D is equal to, they have given the 2 meter capital D and small d is equal to 4 centimeter divided by 2. We want radius. Okay, so small d is equal to 4 centimeter divided by 2. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter, that is radius value. Line length they have given 100 kilometer. Capacitance per phase, what is the equation here? D value we know, R value we know. Just to substitute and get the value of CAN, you will get 2.4939 into 10 to the power of minus 11 farad per meter. But they have given the kilometer length of a line, they have given, just multiply 100 kilometer, they have given, multiply, what you will get? 2.4939 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farad per kilometer. That can be written as 2.4939 microfarad per kilometer. Okay, microfarad per kilometer. Okay, next problem you can solve easily, same as it is. Okay, we have discussed this topic, that is capacitance of three-phase double circuit with unsymmetrical spacing but transposed. Okay, this is about the second model we have completed. We shall discuss with the other models in the next class.